Good morning, everyone. Today is March 25th, and it's day 7 in your packet work. And our work today will be on solving system of linear equations by substitution. What is the meaning of solving by substitution? We learned how to solve two equations by graphing. Today by substitution, and that means we will substitute for one of these two variables. We have two variables, x and y. If you look at equation number 2, we will see that y equals x minus 2. Y here is like y is in one side, and we know y equals x minus 2. We will substitute for y in the first equation. We use the second to substitute for y in the first equation. That means we will move this y, we'll get rid from this y, and we'll substitute for y equals x minus 2 in the first. We will have x minus 2 plus x, we still have this x, okay, equals 8. Combine like terms, we have x and x. X plus x equals 2x minus 2 equals 8. We have an equation in one variable. We want to find the value of x. That means we need to keep x in one side and move all the other numbers to the other side. We have 2x. I know that all of you can do these steps. How can we move this 2 from this side? We have 2x. To move this 2, divide by 2. Yeah, that's correct. Divide by 2. Now x equals 8. Okay. Now we want to find y. To solve this system of equations, it is not enough to find x value. We need x equals what and y equals what. That's what you have to think about. So we use the first equation or the second, whatever you want, to find the value of y. In the first equation, y plus x equals 8. Okay, and we know that x equals 8. Okay, x equals 8. So we will move x and put 8 here. We'll move this x and put here. Y equals 8. Y plus 8 equals 8. That means y equals 0. So the answer here is y equals 0. Let's take another screen. We have x equals 8 and y equals 0. This is the solution. You can put your answer as an ordered pair, 8, 0. And remember that we put x in the first coordinate and y in the second coordinate. 8, 0 is a solution for these two equations. Y plus x equals 8. This is the first one. And y equals x minus 2. Second one. And this solution is correct for both of them. If you substitute for x equals 8 and y equals 0 in the first equation and in the second, it will be true for both of them. Let's try to solve another example. We have y, in this example, we have y equals 2x plus 2, and we have negative 2x plus 2y equals negative 14. We will solve this system of equation by substitution also, okay? This time I see that the first one is clear that y equals something. We can substitute for y. We can use the first equation and substitute for y in the second equation. we will get rid from y, this y in the second equation, and put 2x plus 2 instead. We will have negative 2x will be the same plus 2, and we will put y equal what? 2x plus 2 equals negative 14, negative 2x plus. You know, to get rid from this parentheses, you will use the distributive property. You will multiply 2 times 2x and then 2 times 2. 2 times 2x equals 4x, correct? Plus 2 times 2, 4. And in the other side we have negative 14. Combine like terms. 4x minus 2x give you 2x plus 4 equals negative 14. One equation in one variable, keep x alone on one side and move all the other numbers. Okay, this is addition, and the opposite to addition is subtraction. Subtract 4 from this side and from the other side. 2x equals negative 18. How can we get rid from this 2 or move it? Yes, correct. Divide by 2. X equals negative 18 divided by 2. Negative 18. X equals negative 18 divided by 2. That means x equals negative 9. To solve this system of equation is not enough to find the value of x. We need the value of y. It's important to find the value of y. How can we find the value of y? Let's go back and see one of these two equations. The first one I see is like simple one. Y equals 2x plus 2, so I will use the first one. Y equals 2x plus 2. And we know that x equals negative 9, so I will use this and put it here. Y equals 2 times negative 9 plus 2. 2 times negative 9, negative 18 plus 2. That means y equals negative 16, and this is the value of y. So the last step is to write your answer as an ordered pair. Start with x and then write y. This is the solution for this system of equation. Negative 9 comma negative 16. It's true for the first and for the second. If you plug in for x, negative 9 and y equal negative 16 in the first and in the second equation, this will be true. Okay, try your practice in the packet, and if you have any question, just let me know. Have a good day. Bye.